The problem we have today is that we have Deen in books. Deen is in Bukhari, Deen is in Muslim, Deen is in Tirmidhi, Deen is in Ibn Majah, Deen is in Nisa'i, Abu Dawood, Mishkat, Musannaf ibn Abi Shayba, Musannaf Abdul Razak, Muwatta Imam Malik, Muwatta Imam Muhammad, and the Fuqaha have written it in Hidayah, the Fuqaha have written it in all the Siyar A'lam al-Nubala, they have written in I'la al-Sunan, and I can go on and so forth, Muwatta Imam Muhammad, and so on and so forth. The Deen that we have today, it is in books. And people like you and me are debating online, debating with one another. आप सही नहीं हो, आप सही नहीं हो, आप गलत हो, आप ठीक नहीं हो, इसको अकीदा इसका खराब है, इसका ये मसला है, इसका वो मसला है, एंड मेरे पास ये दलील है, मेरे पास ये रेफरेंस है, बुखारी नंबर ये देख लो, बुखारी नंबर वो देख लो, and we are just throwing references at one another. The biggest thing that we are missing from all this referencing is practicality. Practical Deen. When the Quran was revealed and the Sahaba would be around Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam would give the Deen to the Sahaba radiallahu anhum ajma'in, how many books were there during the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Even the Quran itself was not in a complete book form. Yes, the Wahi was written. Yes. And one of the writers of the Wahi was Katib al-Wahi, Amir Muawiyah radiallahu anhu. The Quran was written, but it wasn't in a book form. Ahadith were also written. There were some Sahaba who would write the Ahadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. But there was no Tirmidhi, there was no Bukhari, there was no physical book form. Even, do we not read the hadith of when Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said कि कोई अगर मेरी तरफ कोई बात मंसूब करके कहे कि रसूलुल्लाह ने ये कहा है तो वो अपना ठिकाना जहन्नम में देख ले. That if someone says that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said something and then Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam had not said it, then he should find his place in Jahannam. So Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu, he had an X amount of number of ahadith, over 100 or whatever it was. I'm not familiar with the exact numbers. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu, he went and he burnt the ahadith. So you can see that if referencing and if books were so important, why would Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu do this? And does it mean that he was against the hadith? Astaghfirullah, la hawla wa la. No. Does it mean that the hadith were not needed? No. It means that even the words may have been erred, but practically Deen is in our life. So practically Deen was there. And the Sahaba, for this very reason, they would say, Kunu mithlana tuflihun, be like us and you will be successful. Amalan Deen हमारी जिंदगी से जा रहा है और इस पर कोई तहरीक नहीं उठ रही, इस पर कोई शोर नहीं मचा रहा. हदीस बोलने वाला हदीस पर अमल नहीं करता, कुरान बताने वाला कुरान पर अमल नहीं करता.